Alright, so we're making a little bit of progress on the scooter. Got the back wheel just placed in position, just like so we can kind of work out where we need to kind of just cut and weld and all that good stuff. I'm going to make this kind of like a little, almost like I'm going to name it the George Costanza because it's short and stocky. Want a kind of a real short base here, so it's kind of all just compacted. But yeah, so I'm going to get some pieces cut and drilled, just mainly this back wheel. And yes, this is going to be the first part of the build series, so let's get it on. So this is probably the end of part one of the scooter build. Now everything's looking really well. I'm really surprised that these single-sided pocket bike wheels held my weight, considering I'm over 100 kilos, which is how many pounds I don't know. I'm sure someone will comment on it, but yeah, there was no flex and everything worked out really well. The only thing is my welding helmet broke, so I'll just have to order a new one. But other than that, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And so we just finished up the scooter build and I've totally earned this bacon, some eggs, subscribe.